Hi there. Today we're going to be going over how to record signal waveforms from the Impulse TDR using HRTWin. This is going to be a very quick tutorial, and it's very simple and easy to do. I already have an Impulse TDR hooked into my computer using a HART modem, and I already have HRTWin loaded and connected to the device. Once you've connected to the device using HRTWin, you'll want to go to this button up here at the top called View Signals. Click this button. You'll see another pop-up window show up, and what you want to do is under Signal View, select Map and Raw Signal. Under Map Precision, you want to select Full. Once you've done this, simply hit Record. It'll prompt you to save a waveform file, and you can name it whatever you'd like. I'm going to name it Test Impulse. Hit Save, and HRTWin will now begin recording your signal waveform, and you can see the status information right here. We're going to let this record for about 20 to 30 minutes. That way we have enough data points to run any troubleshooting that we may need to do in the future. Alright, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to fast forward through this. Now that we've been recording for about 20 minutes or so, we're going to get ready and save this file. Hit stop. Once you do that, HRTWin will verify the acquisition. And you've successfully recorded your waveform. We'll minimize, and your file should now be on the desktop. Go back into HRTWin. Now let's say we want to play back the file that we just saved. We'll go to View Signals. We'll hit Playback. Select the file we just saved. Hit Open. And now we're playing back the file that we just recorded. And it's as simple as that. We've hoped you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.